Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Justine here from Gluten Free Aussie Vegan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy vegan tzatziki. Let's get started. Now here's a quick screenshot of the ingredients you'll need for this, but I will leave the recipe down in the description below the video, so refer to that for when you want exact measurements. Alright, so to start with, we will get our cup of soaked cashews and pop that in the blender. Now I'm just using a magic bullet here, but if you have a more high-speed one or a bigger one, then by all means use it. Then we put in our cloves of garlic. Now I've used 3 cloves here, but if you don't like it too strong, then you can make it 2. Then we will add in our freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by our apple cider vinegar. Pop that straight in. Pretty much everything will go in except for the cucumber and dill. We'll leave them till last. So now I've just popped in the salt there. And now for the pinch of black pepper, although I've just given it a couple of spritzes. I don't think that's a proper cooking term, but that's what I'm using today. And then the 3/4 of a cup of water. This will help blend it all together smoothly. So then whack the lid on and let's blend. And you just want to blend that until it's nice and smooth and the cashews aren't as chunky anymore, and yeah, just well blended. And then we'll be ready for the cucumber and dill. Alright, so that just gives you a little idea of how the consistency is coming along. So yep, now it's time to add in our shredded cucumber. And now remember, we've tried to pad this as dry as we can so it's not super moist, which it's a bit impossible with cucumber because cucumber is a very wet ingredient, but I mean, do the best you can. And then add that back onto the bullet and blend my friend. Alrighty, that's looking pretty good. So now for the final ingredient, and that is to add our dry dill in there. Now remember, you can use fresh dill if you like, and the recipe I originally grabbed this from actually did ask for fresh, but I was lazy in this case and I used dry dill and it worked just as well, so I leave that up to you. And yeah, so let's just do that final blend just to get the dill all mixed through with the creamy texture, and then we'll be ready to see how it turns out. And voila, look at that creamy goodness. It's just, you can see all the chunks of dill through it. And then just find yourself a nice jar to pour that all in for the week, and I'd suggest sterilizing it, and that will keep up to about a week. You can use that before you'll have to chuck it out. So in my next recipe I will be using it for vegan tempeh gyros, so keep an eye out for that. And in the meantime, that's vegan tzatziki. Enjoy. See you next time, and bye bye.